Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to change your YouTube channel name. I have two YouTube channels, so both YouTube channel name are Research Rocks. So now I want change one YouTube channel name. How to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. This is my YouTube channel Research Rocks. I am publishing here as a tech related video, software related video, or unboxing some product. But my another YouTube channel Research Rocks Vlogs. Firstly, using this YouTube channel for the blogging purpose as a traveling perspective. I upload here many traveling videos, some research related concept and some personal blog. But now I want change this YouTube channel name like in a Desi Traveler. So now I want change my YouTube channel name like here Research Rocks. I convert this name as a Desi Traveling. So how to do it? Simply change here, click here manage video. After clicking the manage video, wait couple of seconds. Such kind of channel contents related informations are available or display here. So scroll down, here setting options are available. You click the setting option, channel, and here Research Rocks Vlogs, my YouTube channel name. You click here Google account. The Google account page comes here. So simply edit here and then you can change here your YouTube channel name. Simply now I change my YouTube channel name DESI Desi Traveler TRAVELLER Desi Traveler and save. So my YouTube channel name is suddenly changed. Look at this here. Refresh my channel portal. So here Desi Traveler names are automatically comes. Is a fraction of second. You can change your YouTube channel name. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.